Now we need to find the sixth term of the arithmetic sequence, but we know a sub 9 and a sub 14. We don't know a sub 1. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to write out a bunch of blanks that I can fill in. So I need to get up to a sub 6, a sub 9, and a sub 14. So here are the first 5, and then here's a sub 6, a sub 7, 8, a sub 9, which I know is 120, and a sub 14, which I know is 195. Now because I don't know a sub 1, the first term that I do know is my a sub 9. I'm going to use that in place of the a sub 1 here. This a sub 1 in the rule just stands for the first term that you know about. To get my value of n, I'm going to count the terms between what I know and what I have. So the first term that I know is 120. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my value of n here is 6. Now when I'm putting this into my rule for arithmetic sequences, the very last term that I know is 195, equal to the very first term that I know, which is 120, plus, then I have n minus 1. n is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, times d. Now I can subtract the 120, so I can start getting d by itself. 195 minus 120 is 75. That's equal to 5d. And then when I divide by 5, my value of d is 15. That means to get from one number to the next, I'm adding 15 each time. However, in this case, I need to go backwards to get from a sub 9 to a sub 6. So the a sub 6 is in front of the a sub 9, which means that first, quote-unquote, first term, I don't know yet. So if you want, you can use the formula to figure out a sub 6, where our a sub n is going to be 120 equal to a sub 6 plus, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Our value of n is 4, minus 1 is 3, times 15. So we have 120 equal to a sub 6 plus 45. And 120 minus 45 is 75. So our value of a sub 6 is 75. If you don't want to use the formula, your other option would be to subtract 15 over and over again from the 120 until you get down to a sub 6. So 120 minus 15 is 105. 105 minus 15 is 90. And 90 minus 15 is 75. So if you like to use the formula, there's one way to do it. If not, you can just keep subtracting because those numbers are so close. If we were looking for a sub 1, you'd have to do that a whole lot. So then I would suggest using the formula.